Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 1 English textbook, workbook, resource pack, and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 5, A Good Child, and our topic is reading comprehension. SLOs of this lesson are know how to be a good child and copy rhyming words from a poem. In this lesson, we are going to read the text of this Unit 5 about a good child, and we are going to know about how to be a good child. What qualities should we have to be a good child? So let's start from here. Khalid is a good child. He gets up early in the morning. He takes bath daily. He keeps himself neat and clean. Khalid eats healthy food. He respects his parents and teachers. He listens to his elders. He helps his siblings in their homework and also plays with them. Khalid क्या है? एक अच्छा बच्चा है, good child. He gets up early in the morning. वो सुबह जल्दी उठता है. He takes bath daily. वो रोजाना नहाता है. He keeps himself neat and clean. और वो अपने आप को साफ सुथरा रखता है. Neat and clean, साफ सुथरा. Khalid eats healthy food. Healthy food खाता है Khalid. He respects his parents and teachers. वो अपने टीचर और पेरेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करता है, इज्जत करता है. He listens to his elder. वो अपने बड़ों की बात सुनता है. Elders बड़ों की बात सुनता है. He helps his siblings in their homework and also play with them. Siblings बहन भाइयों की होमवर्क में हेल्प भी करता है और उनके साथ खेलता भी है. He always speaks the truth. वो हमेशा सच बोलता है. He does his homework regularly. वो regularly रोजाना अपना होमवर्क करता है. He helps the poor and the needy. नीडी वो लोग होते हैं जिनको मदद की ज़रूरत होती है. पुअर गरीब लोगों की और ज़रूरतमंदों की वो क्या करता है? हेल्प करता है. He never harms animal and plants. हार्म नुकसान पहुंचाने को कहते हैं. वो कभी भी पौधों और जानवरों को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाता. He goes to bed early and enjoys a good night's sleep. वो जल्दी सोने जाता है और good night sleep एक अच्छी रात की नींद enjoy करता है. So now we know what qualities you should have to be a good child. If you follow Khalid, he's a good child. Everybody loves him because of his habits and good behavior with everyone. If you want to be like Khalid, you have to follow the same things like Khalid does. Now let's move to the exercise of it. You can find the meaning of the difficult words here. Reading comprehension. The question number 1 here. Answer the following question. A. Who gets up early in the morning? B. What does a good child do early in the morning? Or C. How does a good child help his siblings? Yes, Khalid gets up early in the morning. What does a good child do early in the morning? A good child takes bath early in the morning. Question C. How does a good child help his siblings? A good child helps his siblings with their homework. Question 2. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. आपने क्या करना है? सारे स्टेटमेंट पढ़ने हैं. जो आपको ट्रू लगता है उसके साथ टी लिखना है और जो गलत लगता है उसके साथ F लिखना है, means false. The A here, Khalid would never speak the truth. No, he always speaks the truth. So this one is here false. गलत है. Another page. 26. The B here, he does not help the poor. No, it's again false. He always helps the poor. See, a good child always obeys his parents. Yes, it's true. Khalid goes to bed late at night. No, it's false. He goes to bed early. He eats good and healthy food. Yes, this is again true. This is your class task from workbook. We have a writing section here. Read the questions carefully. Write the complete answer for each question with the help of your classmate. Does Khalid keep himself neat and clean? Yes. Khalid, you have to put a comma after yes. Keep himself neat and clean. Second one, who respects his parents? Khalid respects his parents. Third one, what does Khalid do regularly? Khalid does his homework regularly. The fourth one, when does Khalid go to bed? He goes to bed early. At night. The fifth one, do you like the people who harm animals? This is your personal opinion. You have to give your personal opinion. क्या आप लोगों को ऐसे लोग अच्छे लगते हैं जो जानवरों को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं? Harm means नुकसान पहुंचाना. This is your homework from summer pack. You have to read these lines and complete the sentence. Sentence 1, sentence 2, 3 and 4. Just give it a read and complete these sentences. Question 3 we have here. Listen to your father reading the poem, finding the rhyming words from it and copy below. ये आपकी पोएम है. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. राइमिंग वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? राइमिंग वर्ड्स वो होते हैं जो सेम साउंड के साथ एंड हो. जैसे कि chew, chew, like lock, shock. अब ये पोएम आपने पढ़नी है और इसमें से ऐसे वर्ड ढूंढने हैं जो आखिर में बिल्कुल एक जैसे साउंड करते हो, एक जैसा एंड होते हो, विद द सेम साउंड. आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड माई लेसन. थैंक यू.